Hey, Joel Vasquez here, and I just want to say people are completely out of their minds if they want to have a business where they work. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to start a business that runs itself. Let's go. Now, chances are if you're here, you're interested in starting some type of business, and maybe somebody told you that there's a way to set up an automated business, or maybe you've never even heard of it, but you saw the thumbnail of this video and you said, get the hell out of here. That's possible? Yes. So, the first thing that you need to understand to set up an automatic business is that there's different types of income. There's not just one type of income. The first type of income is called passive income. That's what we're shooting for. We need that. The second type of income is called active income. We don't want anything to do with that. Active income is where you're working for that money. You might as well have a job. You need to get the hell off this video. Bam! Now don't get me wrong, in any business you're going to start active, okay? You're going to start working really, really hard, but that's what they say. An entrepreneur is somebody who's willing to work really, really hard for a short amount of time so that he never has to work for the rest of his life. So if that's you, if you're somebody who wants to set up passive income and retire by the time you're 30, then you came to the right place. Now what you first need to understand is in order to set up passive income in any business, you're going to have somebody do the work. Maybe it's not you, but somebody's got to do it, right? So most businesses, this is how they're structured. They hire employees, okay? And you see how the employees are really sad. They do all the work. The business owner doesn't do jack shit, and he's up here smiling and he's happy as hell, right? Now that whole process could take months, even years, and maybe you don't have the patience for that. I know I sure as hell don't, all right? That takes a long time, a lot of money, and a lot of focus, and a lot of hard work, and a lot of ups and downs. But luckily, it's 2019. Now, in 2019, your business expenses are much lower because we have this thing called the internet. And instead of getting all these employees to do the work for you, what you do up is you set up digital assets, okay? Now, these digital assets come in the form of, just pretend this is a website. I can't draw. This is a website, some type of blog, some type of page where people can go to. This is your little employee, okay? He's in there. And he's getting all these customers for you, and they're bringing in money for you. This is your little employee, your little website, okay? You have a YouTube channel or Instagram or some type of other video marketing space, okay? This is your other asset, another asset, a little employee for you. I made this video once. I don't know when you're watching it. Maybe you're watching it in 2025. But I made this video one time. It took me about an hour to make this video. And here it's my little employee, and it's out here talking to you forever. I'm recorded in the space and time continuum history, okay? And the other asset you can get into is Facebook or any other social media platform, really. A lot of people do social media marketing, all right? That's another little asset for you. You're making social media posts. You're creating social media groups. You have a social media page where you can interact with customers and things like that. But again, this stuff is all automated. It's like a little employee bringing you customers. So instead of hiring actual human being employees to work for you, what you're doing instead is creating little digital assets that act as your employees. It seems simple enough, right? Well, it gets even better. So a problem that a lot of people run into is they hold their head and they're like, that sounds great, but I don't have my own products. I'm not very creative. I don't know how to write stuff. I don't know how to do all this other right? But again, we're in 2019 and there's this fantastic business model out there, the one that I got into, the one that's helped me start my business, and what it's called affiliate marketing. Let's get into it. Now, affiliate marketing is extremely simple, okay? Try to bear with me. This is the concept, okay? You don't have your own product. Instead, what you're doing is you're going to a company somewhere, okay? Somebody else makes a product. It doesn't matter where you go. Amazon offers this service. You can sell anything from Amazon.com, and I mean anything. If you see it on Amazon, you can represent it, you can sell it, you can promote it, you can make money off it, okay? Doesn't matter what it is. Amazon is one that people know a lot. You can go to Nike.com, you can go to Reebok.com. It doesn't matter where you go and what you want to sell. It doesn't matter, okay? Almost every company out there has this affiliate program where you can be an affiliate marketer and make money by selling the product, and they give you a cut, they give you a commission. So that solves the problem of having your own product and getting online and getting all this design and construction and where do I get it, where do I source it. They're already out there. They're already selling millions of dollars worth of merchandise, okay? That's all you need to do is put yourself in the middle. Now you're starting to get my sauce. You're starting to figure out what I'm saying here. What you're going to do is you're going to go to these companies, you're going to go through an application process. Sometimes it's hard to get in, sometimes it's really easy to get in. But what they're going to do is they're going to give you a special link, Okay, they're going to give you your own special link that's encoded just to you. They know you. They know who you are, where your computer is, where your cell phone is. They know your bank account. They know all your information. It's like Big Brother, okay? But this is how they make sure that you get paid when you make a sale. So then you just turn around and you promote this product, okay? You're going to promote this product, and when someone clicks on your link, your special link, and they go and they buy this product, you get a commission. You get a cut. Okay, this is a perfect business for a beginner who's just getting into business in general, because it teaches you sales, it teaches you marketing, it teaches you psychology, it builds a repertoire with your audience. It builds so many different things. So this is a great way to get your foot in the water, to get your toe in the water, okay? And the beauty about all this is, remember what I said before about setting up those digital assets. You make your YouTube videos, your Instagram posts, your Facebook pages, your websites. Okay, you can go back to 2007 and watch YouTube videos where they still have links in the description where they're promoting Amazon products and stuff. They're still making money for that person that uploaded that video so many years ago. That's how you set up passive income. That's how you build a business that's automated. That's why I recommend affiliate marketing, because it's truly passive. There are people on this planet who are 25 years old, have no job, and are making tons of fucking money. So get yourself in the middle. Get yourself into this industry. Now the beauty is, in the description below, I have a 4-day training that I've set up where I can teach you this system. I can teach you affiliate marketing, okay? What's in it for me? It helps build my presence. It helps build the infamous Joel brand that I went around and I taught you how to build your business, how to get you income, how to get you out of that 9-to-5 job. When I can do that, you go around and you tell people, hey, take this training. The infamous Joel is the truth. Go through his training. He's awesome. That's what's in it for me. So click on the link below and let's get started. So if you got any value from this video, I want you to smash that like button, and don't forget to comment in the comment section and say, let's get it, if you're ready to go get this money, if you're ready to start your online business and make that thing automated. Subscribe to the channel because I upload every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, and I bring you this online entrepreneurship fire. I'm the infamous Joel, and I'm out.